Hello people, welcome back to my channel Simply Sahi. In this video, I would like to show a apartment balcony makeover that I've done recently. So here is my apartment balcony. I have cleaned up all the balcony and emptied out all the plants that I have. My balcony is neither big nor small, and it's a covered balcony with a little view. So I want this place to be a little cozy with my makeover so that I can sit here and enjoy my view. So I got some bulbs, the backyard bulbs, to set up on the ceiling. So I want to make it a rectangular one which is parallel to all the sides. So here we ended up making it a curve because the wire was so lengthy. So I used some push pins and hooks to put these lights on the ceiling, and I also used an extension cord to switch on these lights, and I guess it looks pretty good. So for the floors I got this artificial grass mat which is 4 by 9 feet. That's suffice for my balcony, and this has some holes here and there in it so that even if we spill some water, it goes through those holes. So let's get started. Initially when I measured up my balcony and when I was searching for artificial grass mat, I couldn't find the exact measurements in this artificial grass mats. So what I did was I got the approximate size for this, and I decided to trim off whatever the extra pieces were there. Now that one edge is almost set, now I wanted to fix the other end. And before making that, just make sure that there are no ripples in your mat. And as you can see here, there is an extra piece of mat that is left over. So I decided to trim it off. I just folded the extra length of the mat and cut it evenly. So a technique that I used here is just cut a little piece and then fold it parallel to the mat so that you can get the even measurement when you're cutting it. So that's how I have cut the whole extra piece of the mat. Once the excess parts are trimmed off, just fix it into the edges or corners so that it looks very even. So here the mat is getting folded on the side due to the railing. What I did is I made little slits so that the mat can be folded at that place, and it looks even. This way, even if you move out of this apartment, you can reuse the grass and the slits won't even be visible when you open it up. So here is the final look. It looks pretty even, and the lights and the green mat, everything has changed the look and feel of my balcony already. And I just wanted to give a close-up how I have folded the mat. And it's time to style my balcony with few plants that I have. When I was shooting this video, I didn't have many plants. So I had like a couple of flowering plants and one tomato plant which I tried to grow. I'm also planning to get few more plants into my balcony, so to make it kind of an urban balcony garden kind of thing. And I'm trying to grow some microgreens and also some green onions and some mint and some herbs. Hopefully I'll have a little herb garden. And that's how my little makeover for my little balcony went on. I hope you all liked it. I like it a lot with this cute little view. So here is the current look of my balcony. I have decorated it with an accent rug and couple of pillows for the seating, and I've added few more plants, and I've been growing a few food plants like these tomatoes. I've been growing from seeds, and recently I've got these pothos foliage plants, and I'm growing some herbs and this lovely looking lilies, and this is my rose plant. And I've added a fake vine creeper on the railing just for the look and feel. So that's my cozy balcony makeover. Hope you all liked it. If you like my content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Simply Sahi. Thanks for watching.